Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Nab Nab from Garten of Ban Ban. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Nab Nab from Garten of Ban Ban, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by drawing a circle right up here for the first eye. Then I'm going to draw two more circles down here. So we're going to keep them pretty close together. So I'm going to draw another circle right here. And then I'm going to make another circle right over here. So we have three circles for the eyes. Now I'm going to draw another circle inside each one. So we'll draw a circle inside each one of these. And then I'll put a smaller circle inside each one for like the little reflection in the eye. Then let's just go ahead and color in the big circle. And we'll leave that little circle white just so that can be some reflection. Now starting here, we're going to make a big little kind of pointed sad face for the head. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up and back down like this for the head. Now, we're going to make the horn. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down in a triangle shape. And then I'm going to draw 1 and 2 little curved lines on here. Now, right here, I'm going to make the mouth. So I'm going to make kind of like a big oval shape. So I'm going to make a big oval shape right here for the mouth. And then I'm going to add some teeth in there. So I'm going to make a little triangle shape that goes up and down. Or down and up, I should say. And then one more here. It's going to go up and then down. We'll make one here. And one on this side. Make one here, and then we'll just fill in the space right here. And then I'm going to make a little curved line right underneath it. Now for the arms, I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up and then down like this. I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to go up and then come down. I'm going to bring this line back up to here. And same thing with this one. We're just going to bring this line back up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to bring this line down. We'll bring them down a little bit farther to kind of shape out more of the body. Next, I'm going to bring this line kind of curved and down. And same thing here, we're just going to kind of curve this one in and down. Next, I'm going to bring this line back up. And same thing with this one, I'm going to bring this line back up. And then we'll just connect it right here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Nab Nab from Garten of Ban Ban. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.